How to change VLC recording save location. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change the VLC recording save location. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the VLC Media Player. Alright, so after you open the VLC, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to click on this tool option just at the upper side of your screen. Alright, so now from here you'll have to go the option preference, so it will appear at the last, so simply click on it. Okay, so from this section you'll have to go the option input and codecs, so simply click on it. Alright, so after you come on the interface, you'll have to go the section files, so from here you'll have to go the option record directory or file name, so from here you'll have to click on this browse option. Alright, so now from this section you can easily choose the location where you want to save the VLC recording save location. So this is the easiest and simplest method. So after you choose one location from here, you'll have to just click on the select folder option, and from there you'll be able to change the VLC recording save location on your PC. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.